The Compustar C7-7900AS is an all-in-one that serves as an LCD remote car starter and smart security system. This intuitive sensor provides an all-around protection for your door, hood, and trunk. It automatically activates its LED lights and alerts the owner through the 105 decibel alarm siren when it detects intrusion. The remote key works within an area of up to 3,000 feet. But that's not all. This innovative multifunction tool supports both voice and visual commands, and has the capacity to serve up to 2 cars. Documenting your road experience can be quite interesting. And with the 70 MAI Smart Dashcam 1s, you can do just that without any distractions. Equipped with the new Sony IMX307 image processor and an f2.2 aperture, this sleek device is capable of capturing videos with a quality of up to 1080 pixels, both during the day and even at night. All videos are saved automatically and stored on a micro SD card of between 16 to 64 gigabytes. It features a built-in sensor and a built-in Wi-Fi, which facilitates connection with mobile devices through a designated mobile app. In addition, this smart dash camera supports emergency recording, voice control, loop recording, and evidence protection. Keep an eye on your car at all times of the day with the Brickhouse Car Tracker. The magnetic mini device is portable and features a compact design that makes it perfectly suited for all cars. It's water resistant and stays attached to the vehicle at all times, even during adverse conditions. With its 4 gig coverage functionality, the Brickhouse Car Tracker offers a vehicle GPS feature that covers the entire North America. And for drivers who want more, this dynamic device can also provide real-time and historical data on speed, georeferencing, violations, and comprehensive travel reports. The JanSight Dual 1080 pixel dual camera is the perfect car gadget for drivers looking to parking sensors and rear view camera monitors, both for the front and the rear of their vehicle. It's equipped with the best-in-class HD streaming technology and rated IP68 waterproof, so your bird's-eye view will never be interrupted by rain. Aside from reducing your blind spots and assisting you during parking, the camera can also capture plate numbers from a distance. Furthermore, it's equipped with night vision technology, loop recording, G-sensor, and park monitoring functions. Finding yourself stuck on a highway with a dead battery is definitely not the ideal situation. But just in case it happens, you want to give yourself the best chance of escaping this nightmarish situation. And there's no better way to do that than having Energizer jumper cables handy. These 16 feet jumper cables are ideal for all kinds of vehicles, including small cars, mid-sized cars, SUVs, and even trucks. Each cable wears a thick vinyl coating for protection and corrosion. Furthermore, it's equipped with a comfy handle for proper placement and easy positioning, and remains flexible even at extremely low temperatures. Meet the Cooluli Thermos Electric Mini Fridge, your perfect chiller on the go. This sleek and compact device is portable enough to fit into any vehicle, and can be used to store food, snacks, beverages, medications, and even beauty and skincare products. In addition, it's eco-friendly and boasts an advanced dual-core cooling system, which makes it highly efficient and ultra-quiet. Never get stuck again in the sand, snow, awkward gullies, swampy roads, and muddy paths with a bunker traction mat. This tool is designed differently from the traditional traction mats. It features the same diamond array construction on both sides of the traction boards and cross-shaped teeth which are designed to grip your tires and prevent slipping. All of these qualities give the bunker traction mat double capabilities compared to the conventional traction mats. Add some life to the interior of your vehicle with these 16 colors, 4 flicker modes, and RGB LED light strips. It comes with a built-in remote that can be used to change the color of the LED and adjust brightness from anywhere within 5 meters. These light strips are designed to upscale the mood of your interior, giving it a serene, exotic, and romantic feel. They generate very little heat and can be touched even by children. Furthermore, they are made from anti-collision, anti-corrosion ABS material and rated IP68 waterproof. As humans, we often find ourselves unprepared for emergencies. After all, who schedules those unexpected mishaps into their calendar? But in those critical emergency moments, the right car escape tool can be the difference between a daring escape and a dire situation. And that's why every car owner should consider investing in an emergency car escape tool like Rescue. This pint-sized powerhouse can slice through jam seatbelts like a hot knife through butter, and shatter tempered glass windows like your car is the star of an action movie. Whether you find yourself in a sinking car, a fiery inferno, a rollover gone wrong, or even a flood, the Rescue is your trusty sidekick, always ready to save the day. This Marshland all-in-one tire changing kit and tire pump is the perfect companion for all motorists, especially night crawlers and long-distance travelers. It's offered with an electric car jack that delivers up to 340 Newton meters of torque. It's incredibly easy to use. With a push of a button, you can lift or lower any vehicle weighing less than 11,000 pounds in less than a minute. For your convenience, this helpful electric jack is fitted with a tire inflator pump and comes with an organized storage box that contains an electric impact wrench, power cable, gloves, LED light, and battery clamp connecting cable. Are you searching for an all-in-one emergency road kit for your car? Look no further than the 4-car emergency toolkit. Equipped with items like battery cables, multi-toolbox, safety hammer, a manometer, a multifunction shovel, and a tow rope. This life-saving kit is designed to serve your daily quick fix needs and bail you out of all emergencies. It's the perfect gift for all drivers, including newbies and so-called legends of the road. With this 39-inch extendable snow remover, scraping ice off your vehicle has never been easier. This helpful tool is crafted from a strong, heavy-duty ABS plastic and will help you reach the far ends of your windshield without using a step stool. It's tough, thick, and firm, allowing you to wipe off both snow and ice in one clean sweep. In addition, it features an ergonomic design with comfortable handles that make it flexible on the hand and easy to use. Keep your windows and windshield sparkling with this car cleaning tool. It's offered with an ergonomic, extendable handle and a flexible head that can turn 180 degrees. Peep, the washable microfiber pad cover, which has a sleek design and water absorption solid qualities. This tool can be used to wipe off stains from the interior and exterior of all the vehicles, including small cars, SUVs, and trucks. Not to mention that aside from dirt and dust, it's great for fog and moisture. This is the Autotown Tire Repair Kit, a self-use tire puncture repair kit. It's made of refined high-quality steel and comes with upgraded tire patch kits, which comply with the highest standards of audit. It is suitable for all types of tires, including for cars and motorcycles, lawnmowers, trucks, and tractors. Furthermore, this portable and sturdy puncture repair kit features a great adhesion, flexibility, shock absorption, and long-lasting shelf life. Trash cans are seen as a necessity in every home, but they're also quite useful items for car owners. This one comes with an adjustable strap and collapsible shape that allows it to be attached on the front and back headrest, as well as the center console. It's crafted from water-resistant and leak-proof material, so you don't have to worry about food spills and stubborn stains. This sleek trash bag is compatible with all cars and also can be used as a storage bag for different items. This wireless charger is the perfect gadget to keep your phone recharged while on the road. It has a built-in upgraded chip and advanced identification technology that automatically identifies and charges your device at a super fast speed. It supports a wide range of phones, including LG V50, V35, V30, Samsung Galaxy S20, plus as well as a couple of iPhone models. This smart gadget can double as a phone holder and for an object detection, with an LED alarm that notifies the user when there's a metal object between the wireless car charger mount and the phone. Searching for small size items under your car seats can be annoying, but then, no one is perfect, and you're always going to mistakenly drop those keys, coins, and credit cards, and they'll slip into the most remote parts of your car. To prevent this, you need a gadget like Drop Stop, which provides 100% gap coverage in and around your seatbelt catch. It's equipped with a built-in slot, which attaches to the seat's belt catch. Interestingly, it's flexible and moves with the seat, so you don't have to readjust or reinstall every time you move the seat.